Hello again, and welcome to the second video for the Arizona Alarm Association website instructions. What we're going to talk about in this video is modifying your member directory listing. To edit your member directory listing, sign into the site. You can find the instructions for that in video 1. Click Members on the left side here, and you will see a listing in the center for your member directory listing. You can either click the title or click Edit here, which will get you to the Edit screen. The title, this top section, is going to be the heading for your directory listing. This should be the name of your company. You want to be as consistent as possible. Whatever you use for other advertising, use that exact same title here because that's going to be the main search term for your directory listing. We're just going to go down through the contact information. Street address, if you have a suite number or you have something additional to just the standard street address, put that in address line 2. We need to just have the standard street address for in this top section because that's we use that to automatically generate a map. Next, you want to do city, choose the state, zip code. Manager name is basically if you want to do it, you can. If not, that's fine too. Basically, this is just a contact person at your firm that you would want your any website traffic, anybody to be asking for sales inquiries. Next, email address. This will be displayed on the web, so if you have a standard business mailbox that you use, you might want to do something like that. If it's something like info at your company's site, that would be what I would recommend. But once again, you can use whatever a personal email address is fine as well. Phone number, fax number. If you have a website, just go ahead and enter the web address. Map and directions. If the automatic map does not work, you can actually go to Google or another mapping software, and if you enter in your address, get the map to the right place, you can actually enter the whole link URL here, and that will supersede the automatic map that we're doing. If you do not want to display a map, perhaps you don't have people coming to your office. I don't have people coming to my office, so basically you can just put a check mark here, and you will not have a map displayed for your listing. The description is where we put is basically where you're going to want to put most of the information. This would be a place to talk about services your company provides. It would be you could probably find marketing text in other advertising that you maybe are using. Essentially, you want to give a main idea of the services you provide, and use as many descriptive keywords as possible. It's good to talk about, what areas you service. It's good to talk about, special keywords. If you specialize in fire alarms, it would be good to talk about, fire alarms and possibly services that might return in search results. The next thing that you want to do, if you have a logo or if you'd like to maybe put an image for your a picture of your office or something like this, or even if you just want to put a picture that describes your company, you can do that here. You just click Browse, select a file from your computer. I'm not going to do it for this one, just for our purposes, but anyhow, select a JPEG, PNG, BMP, any image file is fine. I recommend putting a description just because it's another opportunity to put some keywords in. You could even just use the title or the name of your company. Finally, something that's important on the web are tags, or you might have heard meta tags, you might have heard keywords, you might have heard a lot of different things that have to do with adding additional information to a web page to help search engines. So click tags is a way that you can do that. Basically, we're just going to go ahead and click the red link here, and what this does is it gives us a whole bunch of buttons that have automatic tagging set up. So if you just go ahead and click anything that may apply to your company, that's good. Secondly, if you do not find tags for keywords that you'd like to add to the site, if you move up to the right hand side, you can go ahead and add you can go ahead and add that information in this tag section. So, for example, we're going to add alarm company, security system, fire alarms, and we'll just do those three as an example. And when you're finished, just go over here and click Update. And another thing that's somewhat useful, if you do have a Facebook account and you have a Facebook page, you can actually connect with Facebook using that account. And also, so if you do click Connect with Facebook, what this will do is give you an opportunity to log in and send this information to your Facebook page automatically. And once again, when you're finished, you will see this yellow band at the top. This indicates success. We're absolutely finished with editing this member information. As you can see, everything that we changed is here. And if you want to inspect your changes, you can click this link, and it will show you the changes that we've made to the site. Once again, if you have any questions with making any modifications or changes to the site, you can always call the association, or if you want, you can call MHC Site Builder. Thank you very much, and welcome to our new website.